Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are about to learn an impactful procedure for selecting a title for our research work. Let it be a project or academic research. Let us see its overall flowchart first. In that, the very first content required is the significant details of the work should be known to the researcher. Next, the appropriate words that are to be utilized in the total work, including the keywords also, whether it is descriptive or objective in nature. Next, avoiding the abbreviations and special characters. It means avoiding the acronyms and symbols. The next one, adhering to a format given by the university or institution or the organization such that we don't violate the regulations that have been put under by the university or institution. Let us go step by step now. Very first one, the significant details. In the significant details, very first thing we have to include is the area or simply the topic of our research area and its interested area and significance that has to be available. Those details must be known. Next, the methods that are utilized to carry out our research work must be known. Next, data is any database or any samples that have been used, if any, because some of the research works might be like without a normal data like database or sample. Sometimes it might be mathematical model also. And the last but not the least, we should have to know what will be the results, that is experimental findings that we are going to achieve from our work. If we know these four, this will help us to know all the significant details in our research work. After knowing the significant details, the next point you should keep in mind is that the appropriate words that have to be utilized in the title. While framing the title, we must be aware of word count. The word count must be like 5 words to 15 words, not more than that. Just involve keywords. This we have to include the keywords that have been used in the work. For example, if our work is related to biomedical and the application is like, if we say any cardio or any cancer or any other thing, the particular keywords must be available with respect to the titles. Next one, avoid lengthy titles. Means don't write the long titles, and it must be 5 to 15 in between this range only, 5 to 15 words only. This is how the appropriate words can be taken into consideration. The third one, avoid abbreviations and special characteristics. And here you have to listen carefully. Most of the people will include unnecessary things into the title by making it an unattractive one. To make it an attractive one, try to avoid symbols, like special characters and hashtag, avoid this type of symbols in the title. Next, no non-standard acronyms or abbreviations. Means try to avoid all the abbreviations if possible. If not, few abbreviations can be utilized which are very standard in nature, which informs us about the methods or the methodology utilized in the research work that is going to be utilized in the research work. The last one, avoid chemical formulae and units. Do not mention chemical formulae like H2SO4, okay, gallium, like this chemical formulae. All those things you can avoid them, and also units like farads, for example, ohms. You can avoid this type of units into the title. clearly. This is about the third aspect, which is very important one. It is the place where the most of the people do the mistakes. And the last one, you have to perfectly adhere to the formats provided by the university or institution or organization. Among them is the very first point is the character limitation. How many characters are allowed? We just like word count. How many characters are allowed in the title? Keep this in mind, and also go with the guidelines. Even after finalizing your title, keep it in mind that you are following their guidelines properly, and you know do's and don'ts while preparing the research work and its title. This is about a simple and short video to explain how to select a title for our research work. The same can be applied for research journal also. Kindly subscribe to our channel, watch our videos and share our videos, and provide important suggestions such as we can improve our content and also provide the information for the upcoming videos, means which type of videos you want from us. Thank you.